Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Axon 30 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can enter the settings which are in the right upper corner. So let's tap on this three bars icon, and as you can see, the second bar, the second option, is connected with the timer. Here we've got 5 different options from which we can choose. We've got the countdown, which is 1, 3, 10 and 20 seconds, and the option off, which is of course currently applied. As you can see, it is highlighted in this bluish color. And basically all you have to do in order to set the timer is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use. So I will pick 10 seconds, for example, just tap on it and it will be immediately highlighted. So we can go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, or depend which option you will pick, and after that time it will take a photo. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want to, just by tapping on this off option again, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So basically that's all. This is how to set the camera timer in your ZTE Axon 30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.